Guys, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Banking Crypto Night. Many people have been shouting me up that I should drop investment platform again, like I used to do, like exactly like this. That they are looking for an investment platform that they can invest and earn at least up to 15% on it daily. So this is another one again, and this one is quite different because you are not going to do it on your Chrome or your Google. You are not going to do it. This one you are going to do it on your Telegram. Yes, exactly like those sites, but this one, the site is registered on Telegram. So if you have your Telegram with you, don't worry, you are free. You are free to join right now. You are free to join. So this is all about what this platform is all about. This is a quantitative investment USDT platform where you can earn USDT daily. When you register, they are going to give you at least they are going to give you about 8,900 USDT. 8,000 USDT. Yes, they're going to give you 8,800 and something USDT. Yes, I forgot because I deposit my 12 USDT already, so it add up to this. That means they are going to give you like 8,800 and I think 889 USDT, 888 USDT, 888 USDT. So your own is to just add $12 to it to make it 8,900 USDT, and through this you can earn a lot of money. Let's just go to Quantify and see everything that is there. Let's see. So this is it. Here you can see I'm in VIP1, and this VIP1 will be earning me 15% of my money, $12. I will be earning 15% of that $12 every day by day. That is what I am going to be earning, 15% of $12. You can do your calculation to see how much that is every day by day. So in case you want me to tell you what's 15%, okay, I think is 15.50%. 0.50% of $12 should be around $1.86. Yes, $1.86. So you'll be making $1.86 on VIP2, while VIP1 you will be making at least $1.80 on your VIP1. Right now I'm going to be earning $1.80. For VIP2 you are going to be earning if you deposit for VIP2, the minimum you can deposit on VIP2 is $120. So you should know it like this: 15% of $120 should be $18. Yes, $18, but which is 15.50%. That means we'll be earning $80.60 every day by day. If you go with the VIP3, which is $500, you will be making 16.10%. Let's see, 16.10%. So 16.10% will be $80.50. That is how everything work. So just do your calculation and know the one you want to go for. So this is let me just do my Quantify for today and show you the proof on how to do it, on how to run it. You can see this is what you are going to click, Start Quantify, and you can see my earning today. I don't have anything there, so just click on Start Quantify. You can see Start Quantify. The quantification is working right now, and before you see, you are going to see what I have earned right here. You are going to see it very soon. As you can see, this is it right now. I have earned this. I have earned the $1.80 right now. I have earned $1.80 and it has been deposited into my basic wallet. So if I come back here, you are going to see it on total revenue. You can see total revenue, and you can see this one has add up to it also. So now let me show you how to deposit. In case you are interested, this is what you are going to do if you want to deposit. Click on recharge up here, click on this recharge, click on recharge. So you can deposit with any of this network here. You can deposit using BEP20 USDT, TRC20 USDT, TROS, which is Tron, and you can deposit through BNB or BEP20 USDC. So depend on the one you want to go for, depend on what you want to use to deposit. So for instance, let's say I want to use BEP20 USDT or TRC20. Just click on it, then go to your crypto exchange or your wallet, copy this wallet address you see here and send the money into it. Make sure it's the same amount, exactly the amount you are sending into it. So after you send the amount into it, click on recharge complete. Come back here and click on recharge complete. So that is all, and the money will appear in your wallet immediately. And you know, crypto deposit is very fast, so the money is going to come into your wallet immediately, and the withdrawal is also very fast. Within 1 minute you have received your money, you will receive your money. So to make your withdrawal, this is where you're going to click on withdraw right here, click on withdraw right now here. Now set your password for withdrawal, set your password and confirm your security password. So let me do that right now. So I have set my password right now. So what is the minimum amount of withdrawal? What is the minimum amount? In BEP20, if you are withdrawing to your BEP20 wallet, the minimum amount you can withdraw is $1. So if you are withdrawing right from this place, I can withdraw. But if you want to use TRC20, the minimum withdrawal is $10. You can see it right here, $10. That is the minimum. So let's go with BEP20 withdrawal. Let's go with BEP20 withdrawal. So go to your BEP20 wallet and copy your withdrawal address. Go and copy it and paste it. Input the amount you want to withdraw. Input it here. For example, 1.80. Input it here. Then click on security password. Enter your security password. Then click on confirm. So let's do that right now. So I want to withdraw to my BitQuant exchange account. Now click on deposit, because we want to deposit into here. So click on deposit, then search for USDT BEP20. Just search for USDT. Then it will bring out all the USDT. Just choose your network. So I am depositing using this one, BEP20, which is BNB, Binance Smart Chain USDT, this one. So click on it, copy the wallet address, then go back to the site and make your deposit. Let me just show you the amount of USDT I have here. You can see I only have 499 USDT right here. So after that 1.8 come, you are going to see how much it's going to be. So let's go. So enter the amount you want to withdraw, which is 1.8. Input the wallet address here, input your security password, then click on withdraw. So click on confirm. As you can see, it's confirming the money is gone. So you can see withdraw success. So withdraw success right now. Let me find the withdrawal history. The withdrawal history should be up here. Click on that and let's see if the money is going. So let's see, you can see it right here, deducted. $1.80 is deducted already. So let's go back to the page. Let's go back to our me here. So you can see we are going to see it total earning today. You can see so in a few seconds, in a few minutes, I am going to my BitQuant to wait for the money there. So if you are interested in this platform, don't forget to join it. Check the description of this video. So far you have Telegram account, you can join it. So far you have Telegram account, you can join this, site. So right now let me go to my BitQuant. You can see some people are making a huge amount of withdrawal here, you can see 11,000 so something like that. So let's go there and check. The one deposit received is now coming right now. You can see one deposit received is now coming right now. You can see it right here. Is even less than, it's less than 1 minute. You can see the money has added up to this. Let's click on it and see where all this money come from. You can see it here, you can see it 1.80. you can see that is it. This is the amount. Check the time I withdraw it, check this time up here, so you can see. So that platform is legit and is very new right now. You can still join quickly right now. If you're interested in this is your chance to make money. Remember, the minimum you can deposit is $12 in that VIP1, and in that VIP1, remember, you can deposit up to $119. You can see it here, up to $119, and you will make your money on it. Is it that you deposit $12, $13, $14, $50, $100, $80, like that, up to $119. If you deposit, you will earn their 15%. For instance, the 15% of $19 is of $119, let's say, or 15% of $100 is $15. So 15% of $19 should be $17.85. So you can earn a lot. On the VIP2 also, the deposit varies from $120 to $140 for $499. You can see everything right here. So that is just how the platform work. That is just how it works. So if you are interested, don't forget to join this platform. If you are interested, you can see this is my withdrawal for today. Withdraw successful. You can see it, withdraw successful, notice for withdrawal. So that is just it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to join this platform right now, and don't forget to like these videos, comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you, goodbye for now. Invest wisely. Goodbye.